Okay, now we discuss ACCA FM with Vertex. So if you are preparing with Vertex, your financial management exam, what do you get? So this is the second part. In the end, I will explain you the best strategies to pass the exams. First, let me discuss what you guys already have, because it is sometimes students, they do not realize that what resources they have, or how to use those resources. So you've got lecture videos for complete syllabus. Most of the videos have been made in a format, that short format, so that you can exactly locate your topic which you want to learn. For example, if you talk about investment appraisal, I think which is chapter number 5 or 6, maybe 5. So there are maybe 17 lecture videos. Every video is for 10-12 minutes. So specifically, if you want to see, oh, I want to see what was annuity. So you go and select the video for annuity and watch it. If you want to see lease or buy, so it's not like 1 hour and 40-minute video in which you have to locate where the topic is, or where did the teacher explain that thing. You actually spot out the particular topic. For example, cost of redeemable debt is separate, cost of irredeemable debt is separate, cost of bank loan is separate, cost of preference share is separate. All these are debts. So I don't make a video cost of debt, because cost of debt will have four issues: redeemable debt, irredeemable debt, bank loan, and preference share. So I made four separate videos, so that you can, if you want to watch or if you want to revise, you can exactly spot out which topic do you want to watch, instead of browsing or going through a 90 minutes long video and then seeing, tracing out where did the teacher say that. Watch these videos, all of them. Practice question videos, quite a lot of them. BPP practice kit, ACCA past exams, and ACCA study hub. Complete study notes you have under the video lectures. We have placed the notes so that you watch the video lecture and you read the notes instantly. Don't separate it. Watch the video lecture, and then you will scroll down and you will read the notes, and then you will move on to the next thing. Study planner and the mobile app. So you will create your plan and you will download the mobile app. This is also given on your resources section. Curriculum, before chapter number 1, there is one thing which is called FM resources. You can find out the video how to create your study plan, or how to create your mobile app, or how to download your mobile app. It is given there. Quizzes for every chapter you have. Okay, do not move to the next chapter without attempting the quiz, without understanding your mistakes. Attempt the quiz. I always say that, okay, there could be many layers of learning, but minimum there are 3. First layer of learning is when you watch my video lecture, in which I am topic lecture, in which I'm explaining some topics. So I start explaining what is NPV. I take 20 minutes and I explain you what is NPV. This is first layer of learning. You learn many things from here, but probably you do not learn it completely. Then you start reading the notes or the book, whatever, and your concepts, they become, you know, you enhance your concepts, and probably you fill in some gaps, and those things which were not very clearly understood, you become, clear on that issues. So the second layer of learning is reading. The third layer of learning is when you start doing the practice questions. So when you think that you have understood, and now you're ready to do practice, and you start doing practice, but then you realize that maybe a few things are not clear, few things are clear, so you again start learning while doing practice questions. So some of the knowledge gaps are filled here, but you are still not ready. Then you take the quiz, which has 10 questions. And what happens that while taking the quiz, this 10-question quiz, maybe 20 minutes, you do 6 questions correct and 4 questions you answered wrong. And you say, oh, I made 4 mistakes. And then you see the solution, you see the feedback, and you understand those 4 mistakes or those 4 things like this. Quizzes is the fastest way to learn any topic. It is really the fastest way, because in 20 minutes or 15 minutes, you can identify that which things I do not know really. I thought I knew them, but when I calculated, I could not. I made a mistake, and then I realized that these were my mistakes and I learned them. So I could actually learn four things in just 15 minutes. That's a wonderful proposal. I mean, if I could identify and learn four things every 15, 20 minutes, imagine how good, how great it is. So attempt quizzes, all of them. See the feedback. You know what happens? Not only in FM, in life as well, we keep on repeating the same mistakes, okay? In life as well, we make the same mistakes over and over again because we do not learn from mistakes. If you start learning, you say, okay, I made this mistake. I now understand what did I do wrong or where did I go wrong, and I'm not going to make this mistake again in exam. If this question comes in exam, I will not make this. I will not repeat this mistake. So if you have this approach that you will not repeat the same mistake again, and you are really learning and putting something here and then remembering it, I mean, everything will be wonderful. I mean, if you are taking one quiz every 2 days, you are actually doing great. Weekly assignments and progress tests are there. Uh, Weekly assignments and progress tests. Yeah, these are announced in the WhatsApp group. I suggest you should do them as well. Tutor support on the WhatsApp group you will get, and weekly live session for additional practice. So this is like, these are the 8 things. This is the complete package which you get with your FM course. Okay. This is what Vertex gives. Oh, sorry, the ninth item, final mock exam, extremely important. Please get ready for the mock exam. Mock exam for December session would be on 24th of November. 24th of November, a full scale 3 hour mock exam, and then the result will be given to you in probably, because exam will have two things. Section A and Section B questions you will do on the computer, like MCQs, and you will get your answers immediately. Section C, which has the long thing, that is not done on our software, that you will submit it on Excel file, and that will be returned to you in 2 or 3 days so that you can, and your result will be combined.